And today I'm here in this amazing booth. Hello and welcome.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you for having us here. So can you tell us the name of your company and something more about your company?
Hello, we are HongWo Toys factory. We are making high performance RC camping car for more than 10 years.
Wow, and what's your major markets?
Our major markets Europe, Australia, Korea, and sales all over the world.
Which kind of certification do you have?
Our certificates have ASTM 71, LOS, and CPSIA.
Wow, so you have many certifications.
Yes, we have many certificates.
And you have a lot of products. So maybe we can start to check out the first product that is the best-selling product. Which one is it?
This is our...
It's just with us.
Yes, the best one series. The material is yellow.
You can read the description if you want, because they are shaped just here, so you can read the description if you want.
The function.
Oh no! I mean you can read. Oh, okay.
Okay.
So I put it down.
Okay. The function is if we touch the remote control lightly, it's slowly, and if we touch the remote control heavy, it's fast.
Can we show the remote control? Very nice.
Thank you.
So what is this for? For the tires.
Yeah,
okay. And this is on/off, and then you can use this one to move it.
Yes, to move it.
Forth and back. Okay, it's quite easy to use. What is the minimum order quantity for this one?
Order quantity.
How many they have to buy?
Less MOQ is 5 cartons.
5 carton MOQ. Okay, what if it's OEM, ODM? OEM, ODM.
OEM.
Yeah.
Yes.
Can you do?
Yes, we can do.
And what is the MOQ in that case?
5 cartons.
Still 5 cartons.
Yes.
Okay. Now it's time to check their new product.
Okay, let's start.
Okay. It's quite heavy.
Yes, it's our new product.
Okay, can you tell us something about this new product?
This is our newest, and it is 126 camping car, and we have 1 to 10, 1 to 12, and 1 to 18. We have many camping cars.
Okay, they're all new. And what is the material? How it's
the material is yellow.
Okay. Wow, it's super huge. Okay, so what if the people wants to contact you? What they have to do?
Okay. If you want to the factory price and factory custom design, you can Google HongWo Toys and search our web.
So the website is www.hwkids.com. You can Google it and you can find all the catalog and also the contact inside our website itself.
Yes. Buy us, buy more.
Thank you. It was a pleasure to meet you
Thank
today.
You.